Oh boy, my favorite topic. OUAC/Ontario applicants. Alright, so welcome back to another video. Today I'll be trying to condense the stereotypes I see when it comes to applicants. Hopefully you enjoy, and just remember, take this with a grain of salt because this is for humor and comedy purposes. So if you are one of these people, don't be afraid because we all went through one of these phases at least once so far. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, let's do a speed run of how fast I can deteriorate my mental health by visiting the r/Ontario grade 12 subreddit. Alright, let's scroll down. How many universities I applied to? Okay, around the same. Sub app stress. Yeah, I can relate. Place your bet. Schools will close. Doug Ford! Man! I hate these yahoos, bro. We're going back to lockdown. Someone trying to inflate the marks or maybe improve it. Hey, who knows? Dream University. Oh man. Oh boy. The jackpot post. 139 people have between a 92 and 94.9. Oh no, I cannot get into my business school. If that many people have those grades, then what do I with an 88 can even possibly think about going to Schulich? Let's see these comments. Very biased. But still, look at this. Man, I agree with this guy. But hey, you know what's great about this subreddit? Got people like this person who always support our fellow homies. And you know, it's not always about this. Gotta always find the silver lining. So, you know what? Having an 85 to 89.9 or even below is great if you've been putting 100% of your effort. So keep it up guys, I know you can do it. We're gonna get through, you guys are gonna get through, and we're gonna get accepted to our universities or our dream universities. Alright guys, so I think my prerequisite courses are English, Advanced Functions, Calculus, and Chemistry. But the minimum cutoff is an 85. So let's say I have a 33 in Advanced Functions. I have a 50 in Calculus. I got a 99 in English. But in Chemistry, I got a 62. Okay, let me do the math. That is 244 and I divide that by 4. 61. So if the cutoff is an 85 and I get a 90 in my other 4 courses, let me do the math again. Hold up. Let's do 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay. Add that bad boy up, divide that by 8. 75.5. Man, I gotta take this in night school, man. This might be one of the worst breeds of people I hate. If you're applying to Waterloo Computer Science and Engineering and you have a 97 and you're still complaining about your average on Reddit, please, please, I do not want to see your posts. There are so many other people that are struggling, and you posting that you have a 97 and you're still worried about getting into Waterloo even though you have 100 hours of karate, 50 hours of volunteer service. Somehow having a 99 in English with inflated summer school marks, somehow having a 99 in Advanced Functions and Calculus, and you're still somehow worried. I don't know what to say, man. Guys, I just opened my portal and guess what? Schulich offered me an admission. Let's go. Conditional, easy, get good guys. See you guys at Schulich while the other people are heading to Ryerson. No way. a 95 for BBA Wilfred Laurier. Man, you made it this far? Congratulations. Let me tell you something. I covered like 5% of these stereotypes. So if you want to see more of these, 15 likes and I'll do a part 2. So yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Yayo. Peace.